Picture this, your phone, your travel photography powerhouse. Imagine standing on the edge of a breathtaking cliff, the sun setting in the distance, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink. You reach into your pocket, pull out your phone, and with a simple tap, you capture that magical moment forever. Ever scrolled through stunning travel photos and wished you could capture such shots? Guess what? You can. Your phone is not just a communication device, it's a gateway to creating beautiful memories. With the right techniques, you can turn everyday scenes into extraordinary photographs that tell a story. Your phone is a powerful tool. Modern smartphones come equipped with advanced camera technology that rivals traditional cameras. From high-resolution sensors to sophisticated image processing algorithms, your phone has everything you need to take professional quality photos. With a few tips and tricks, you can transform your travel photography from ordinary to extraordinary. Learn to play with lighting, explore different angles, and use the various camera modes available on your phone. Experiment with HDR, portrait mode, and even manual settings to get the perfect shot. Ready? Let's dive into the exciting world of mobile photography. Whether you're an amateur or a seasoned photographer, there's always something new to learn. So grab your phone, charge up the battery, and get ready to explore the endless possibilities of travel photography. Your next great shot is just a click away. It might seem obvious, but a clean lens is crucial. Think about it. Fingerprints, smudges, and dust can cloud your lens, leading to blurry photos. A simple wipe with a microfiber cloth makes a world of difference. Keep your lens clean and watch your travel photos shine. Composition is how you arrange elements within your photo. It's the art of placing various components in a way that makes the image not only pleasing to the eye, but also meaningful and impactful. Good composition can transform an ordinary scene into an extraordinary photograph. One powerful technique is the rule of thirds. This method helps you create balance and interest in your photos by breaking the frame into 9 equal parts. Imagine your screen divided into 9 equal parts by 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. These lines intersect at 4 points, which are key areas for placing your subject. Place your subject along these lines or at their intersections for a more visually appealing image. This technique draws the viewer's eye naturally to the most important parts of the photo, creating a sense of harmony and balance. Another technique is using leading lines, elements like roads or rivers, to guide the viewer's eye toward your subject. Leading lines can be anything from a path, a river, a fence, or even shadows. They create a visual journey for the viewer, making the image more engaging and dynamic. Mastering these techniques takes practice, but once you get the hang of it, you'll notice a significant improvement in your photography. The rule of thirds and leading lines are just the beginning. There are many other composition techniques to explore, such as framing, symmetry, and patterns. Framing involves using elements within the scene to create a frame around your subject, drawing attention to it. Symmetry can create a sense of balance and harmony, while patterns can add interest and texture to your photos. Experiment with different techniques and see what works best for your style and subject matter. Photography is an art form, and there are no hard and fast rules. The key is to understand these principles and then use them creatively to tell your story. So next time you pick up your camera, remember the rule of thirds and leading lines. Use them to enhance your compositions and create images that captivate and inspire. Happy shooting. Section 3. The golden hour glow timing your travel shots. The time of day dramatically impacts your photos. The hour after sunrise and the hour before sunset, known as the golden hours, cast a warm, magical light. Shooting during these times can transform your photos, adding a touch of golden magic. Section 4. Embrace the details macro photography on your phone. Many smartphones offer excellent macro photography capabilities, allowing you to capture intricate details, get up close to flowers, textures, or patterns, and experiment with different angles and compositions. Macro photography reveals a whole new world of beauty often overlooked. Section 5. Editing apps, your pocket-sized photo studio. Don't underestimate the power of editing. Countless apps offer tools to enhance your photos. Adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation. Experiment with filters. Remember, editing should enhance, not replace, the natural beauty of your shots. Section 6. Practice makes perfect. Shoot, experiment, and have fun. The best way to improve your mobile photography is to practice. The more you shoot, the more you learn about your camera and its capabilities. Take your smartphone everywhere and seize every opportunity to capture moments. Whether it's a bustling city street, a serene park, or even your own backyard, every setting offers a chance to hone your skills. Experiment with different angles, compositions, and editing techniques. Try shooting from a low angle to give a unique perspective, or from a high vantage point to capture a broader scene. Play with the rule of thirds, leading lines, and symmetry to create visually appealing photos. Don't hesitate to tweak the settings on your smartphone camera. Adjusting exposure, focus, and white balance can make a significant difference. Don't be afraid to try new things and develop your unique style. Photography is an art, and like any art form, it thrives on creativity and experimentation. Take selfies, capture candid moments, and try various poses. Use different filters and editing apps to enhance your photos. The more you experiment, the more you'll discover what works best for you. Travel photography is about capturing memories and sharing your experiences with the world. When you're on the go, your smartphone is your best companion. Document your journey, from iconic landmarks to hidden gems. Capture the vibrant colors of a sunset, the intricate details of architecture, or the candid moments of locals. Share your photos on social media to inspire others and connect with fellow travelers. Remember, photography is not just about the final image, but also about the experience. Enjoy the process of taking photos and don't stress about perfection. Share your work with friends and family and create photo albums to cherish your memories. The more you shoot, the more you'll improve and the more fun you'll have along the way. Consider joining photography workshops or online communities to learn from others and get feedback on your work. Engaging with fellow photography enthusiasts can provide new insights and inspiration. Remember, every photo you take is a step towards becoming a better photographer. So keep shooting, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep having fun.